In this digital world, your website is your storefront, and hosting is the foundation that makes it all possible. Web hosting is like renting space on the internet to store your website files. You rent space on a web server to store your website's files, such as HTML documents, images, videos, and more. Think of the web server as a powerful computer that's always connected to the internet. When someone types your website's domain name into their web browser, the browser sends a request to the server. The server then retrieves your website's files and displays them on the visitor's screen. Web hosting enables your website to be accessible to anyone on the internet 24/7. Hosting not only ensures your website's reliability and security, but also powers its speed and performance. Hosting is the engine driving your online success. At Vodien, we offer scalable hosting solutions to meet all your business needs, like shared hosting for cost savings, VPS hosting for more control, and dedicated hosting for ultimate performance. With advanced data centers and a team of experts, we ensure your website is always online and secure. Choose Vodien to enjoy lightning-fast speeds, robust security features, and exceptional customer support 24/7. Get started today, see your ideas come to life with Asia's leading web hosting provider. Vodien, empowering your online journey.